Hello and welcome back. So in this lecture we will create our second gig. So let's click on this. So write the title. I will design perfect thumbnails in 1 hour. Category graphic design and social media design. So service type with thumbnail and gig meta type is marketplace and social media. Now add some search tags. So click save and continue. Now define your scope and pricing. So I just give you the idea how we create our gig on Fiverr. We follow the top rated sellers and create our gig and give some advantage to the client so client can choose our gig. So write the basic package, design 3 high quality thumbnails. In standard package we will design 7 high quality, and in premium package we will design 10 high quality thumbnails. So delivery days for one day, and in premium we will provide 15 2 days delivery. Number of thumbnails, image source, custom design, click on all of these. So revisions is to unlimited, pricing 5, 10, and $20. So save and continue. So write your description. Hi, you have a YouTube channel and want some eye-catching and attractive thumbnails, and yes, you are at the right place. In just $5 I will give you 3 high quality thumbnails, something like that. So write your description, add some FAQs. How do we start working together? Just send me a message. Save and continue. In requirement section we already know that we write a question. We need to enter a question. Save and continue. Upload pictures for our gig. So let's do that. So click save and continue. Now publish gig. So our second gig is also live now. So now you are confident and got an idea how we create a gig on Fiverr. So that's it for this video. I hope it will help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.